got a question for you. Yes, you know, yeah, let's do that. No, I'll be. Let's bring it on.
Look at these two little pigs. Little piggies eating spaghetti. Say oink oink. Say it. Say oink oink.
You did really good. You guys need some help with anything? Yeah, okay.
Good God.
Give me a carrot.
Is that good, Abby? I'm not even sure she's eating spaghetti.
I'm not sure what she's eating either, but whatever. She's eating.
I don't think I can see that.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. We're going to have to clean that up before we leave.
Good God. Look at that kid's face.
Which one?
Blah. Abby, no, no, no. Oh, she got the plate down there.
Food, me, want more.
Look at her just cram that into her mouth. Good God, kid.
We have barbarians for children.
Look at her eat that.
Absolutely.
Are you recording it?
Yes, because this is funny.
Bringing it out for a first.
Gosh. Damn.
I need to wash my face.
Jeez. That's finger licking good, isn't it? Abby, smile. Yum, yum, yum.